Hello, in front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the Polar Flow Sync application on the computer. Before we start, if you want to use the Polar Flow Sync application to factory reset your watch, you will need a couple of things. You will need to have access to a computer. You will need to have internet access on that computer so you can download and install the Polar Flow Sync application. And last thing you will need is to have a charging cable that was provided with your watch rather. It looks like this. Once you have all of the things, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Polar Flow Sync on the computer. So go to your computer, open a web browser. It can be any web browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome, but you can use anything you want. Once you open the browser, click on search and type in this address, flow.polar.com/start. Once you type in this address, press enter, and it should bring you to this page. On this page, find the category called computer right here. And as you can see, we have two options, Apple and Windows. If you're using Apple computer, download the Apple version. If you're using the Windows computer, download the Windows version. I'm using the Windows one, so I'm gonna click on Windows, wait until the download is complete. And once it downloads, we can click on this pop-up right here to start the installation, but you can also open the by default downloads folder and then you can find the file there. If you downloaded it somewhere else, basically you need to start the installation by double clicking on the exe. I'm just gonna click right here to start the installation, then click yes, accept the agreements, next. You can set the path of the installation. You can change it if you want. I'm just gonna leave it at default and click next. Then next, you can click to check to create the desktop shortcut if you want to. I'm just gonna click next and wait until the setup is complete. Okay, once the installation is over, click the box right here to check the launch Polar Flow Sync and then click finish. And the application should start automatically. Once it opens, you will see this on the screen. Basically, we need to connect our watch to a computer now. So grab your charging cable, take this round end and plug it to your watch. Basically, you need to align the notch on your watch with the notch on your charger, like this. It will snap on because it's magnetic. And once you plug the watch to one end, take the USB end of the charger or charging cable and plug it to a computer. Okay, after you plug it in, it should detect your watch. As you can see, here we have it, and it will start syncing the watch with your Polar Flow account, and it will ask you to log in. As you can see, it popped out, but we don't need to do it. We can ignore it and just click on the settings icon in the app. So let's go to the app. Here we have the settings icon, click on it. As you can see, the Polar Ignite 2 is connected. Now click on the factory reset, click on yes, and wait. Okay, once you see this message, factory reset done, you can unplug the watch and you can close the app. And after a second or two, you should see this the list of languages on the screen of your watch, which means that the factory reset is complete. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the Polar Flow Sync application on the computer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.